Welcome back everybody to this new video of TaxPress. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your money directly from Wise to your banking account. The process is not that hard, it's actually really simple. The very first thing you want to do, of course, is to understand Wise. Now Wise, formerly known as the Transfer Wise, is an actual popular platform for sending and receiving money international with low fees and transfer rates. So transferring money from Wise to your banking account is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, I'm going to look into my Wise account. If you don't have, once again, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description so you can get started totally for free, and you might be having a few rewards after your first transaction here into Wise. Now, if you have a two-factor authentication enabled, you want to enter the verification code sent to your device. Now, check out here that we are inside the home section. Now, once you looked it in, you want to navigate directly into the left part, go for home, and check out your total balances. Now you should see that you have a total balance in here. So what you wanted to do is to send this money directly into your banking account. So to do this process, what I need to do, of course, is to add a banking account, a debit or a credit card, in order to redeem my money. Here's how you should do it. I'm going to go into the recipient section. Into the recipient, I'm going to go here into the right part that says add recipient. Now here I wanted to choose the currency that my bank allows. In my case, should be Mexican peso. So I choose this amount, and here have the add a receipt. So you can choose search from Wise or add enter bank details. In our case, let's go for the enter the bank details. Now here it's going to be asking us if this is a person or a business account. So I choose person. Really important to enable this element that says this account belongs to me. So all of these elements automatically should be added for me. So what I need to do now is to add all of this information depending on the country you're currently living. Once you have done this process, let's go back and you should see that the recipient should be now applicable and added directly into the recipient. So in this case, I'm going to select my account and make sure that all of my information is appearing in here. So as you can see, I have a banking name, a clave, an address, the email, banking code, account type, account holder name, and all of this information. If you don't have enough information about your bank, what you can do is to open any tab and select the bank that you needed the information with. For example, Santander. I go here for Santander info banking account, and you might be having a free information about your bank. So once you have gathered all of this information and now you have it added yourself as a recipient, what we can do is to select the currency balance you want to withdraw. So if you have a total balance in here, I'm going to go for the option that says send. Into send is going to be asking you which is the amount of money that you like to send directly into your bank account. So let's say, for example, that I sent this amount. The recipient gets this amount, and here is the including the fees. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and choose the option that says continue. Now at the moment I don't have any dollar in here, but the process of doing this element is actually really simple. What you need to do is just to choose once again your token, and into the payment method it's going to be asking you how would you like to receive your money. In this case, I choose the bank transfer, and of course it's going to be really important to choose the banking account that you have just added there. After you go for continue, you have the verification process. You might be having an actual code. So click into send or withdraw in the currency details. So to add a banking account, as I just did before, after I've done this process, I need to review the transfer details, including the amount received in banking account. So why should you estimated arrival for the transfer? So if you click into continue, confirm, the transfer should be initiated. And once the transfer is initiated, you can track its status into the activity section. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to focus into my transactions. Here into my transactions, you should see that we have here the see all, and you can track all information about the transaction. Once a transfer typically be completed, sometimes it might be taking up to minutes, to even take hours, or even 1 to 3 business days. But after the transfer is completed, you want to check your banking account. But first of all, I'm going to go here into our transaction details and make sure that here is appearing as completed. So as you can see, we have the set of the transfer. I use this amount to the Wise account, I pay out, and my transfer is completed. So they sent this amount, and my actual details should be appearing in here. So that's it, guys, of how you can actually do this process step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Wise directly into your bank account. Just in case you have any question, just in case you have any issue either, what I can truly suggest you is to go and straight all your way down and try to locate Wise Help Center. They can be helping you to do stuff just in case you have any issue with your account of all those elements. So choose the help with the recent transaction and go ahead and follow the prompts to continue. So with that being said, guys, you have reached to the very end of the video. Hopefully this was very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.